Hey, welcome back, entrepreneurs. As mentioned, software and affiliate updates will be limited as we move through and towards our upcoming Builderall 6.0 update. But that doesn't mean we're standing still. Hi, I'm Frank Jimenez with the Builderall team, and this is your Builderall Weekly Update. Look, I can tell you firsthand, we have a lot of things happening behind the scenes and are excited about the things to come. As a matter of fact, we have a couple of announcement updates that our very own CEO, Eric Salgado, will be sharing this Monday inside our affiliate and member meetings, all kicking off at 10 a.m. Eastern. Remember, you can access our meetings live from inside your back office or join us by accessing our affiliate and member meeting Facebook groups. Now, as it relates to software updates, this week I'm going to direct you to our very own blog. Please take some time to catch up on some simple updates related to WordPress. Now, I want to call your attention to some great shares from both members and leaders that make up an amazing Builderall community. Our first share comes from John Hamed, who has put his design skills to the test using our very own Cheetah Builder. Check out this clean website design centered around landscaping. Great job, John. And thank you for taking the time to share your own designs with the rest of our community. Now, I want to jump to an amazing leader inside our community who took the time to answer the many questions he was receiving and put those answers in a simple video tutorial. Spartacus shares how he created his digital magazine for South University. To catch the full crash course, please click on the link inside our video description. Next, we have Builderall's dynamic duo, working hard to bring you this great tip. But first, let me ask you a question. Do you want a better email open rate? Of course you do. So do I. Well, these two show you exactly how. Chris Chessar and Cindy Branson team up to bring you a really cool tip that you'll definitely want to check out to learn more. To check out the entire video, click on the link in our video description to unlock this really cool and amazing share. Now, these are just some of the great contents shared throughout our amazing community, and we look forward to bringing you much more. We even plan to have more shares just like these on Monday's call. Be sure to join us every Monday for our affiliate member meetings kicking off right from inside your back office at 10 a.m. Eastern. Now, here's some more great value. Builderall University. Get your daily knowledge upgrade Monday through Thursday, every single day at 9 a.m. Eastern Time. Be sure to join our Builderall University Facebook group to catch all of the action. Oh, and another thing. If you have a lingering question and want to have your question answered live, then join Jackie every Friday for her live Q&A. Now, if asking questions live really gets you going, then you have to experience Tuesday night training. Every Tuesday night, you can catch live training right here from inside our YouTube channel. You'll also be provided a link to join the panel to learn and ask your questions live. So come on out and join the fun. Speaking of fun, this past Tuesday night, Shelly had a packed house as she demonstrated how you can sell products on JVZoo using Builderall. You have to check out this replay along with past Tuesday night's trainings because they're just as good. Believe me, you'll be glad you did. As you find the content helpful, please remember to leave a cool comment. Let us know that you've watched. Like the video and be sure to subscribe. Hit the bell icon to be notified the next time something cool from Builderall hits the internet. Who knows, it might be a story about you. Now, here's a quick quote from a former Major League Baseball outfielder, Leon Brown. "No one is perfect in this world. Forgive people for not knowing better and learn to move on." That's my time, everyone. I hope everyone has a fantastic and safe weekend. We'll see you Monday.